About to set off to the early hookup. Everybody's here. We've got a Laurie. We have a Kacper.
Morning.
We have a Chem.
All right, mate.
And AK and Jerry upstairs.
First breakdown. We're waiting for Cam and Jerry. We're not sure what happened.
This is loose, look. Jelly, RTV gas.
I was just given an air filter. Cam lost it, I think. Well, he didn't lose it. It was just about to.
My motherfucking fiver. He's just won the fucking raffle. I bought the fucking ticket.
A bald guy won all the fucking hair products. I handed them out to the people with hair. Who goes to work.
And you DC when everything. Oh, Joe King bag with it. Oh yeah. It's gonna be a good night, man.
That great story, Grandpa. You want a bag?
Where's our gang? Final words?
Hell yeah, baby.
Come on, don't look at me like this.
No. My guy. Whoa. mate, and you
Yeah.
rode with your dad. Let's go.
Yeah. It's nice.
Original fucking dirty cat. Come on. Leave the tag on, bro.
Oh yeah! Laurie's like, oh, actually. Is that fake? 400.
Leave the tag on.
Was that dude?
What a legend.
How are you, mate?
I'm good, man. I'm
Good. Enjoy yourself.
Honestly, dude, I wish if anyone had some crack